Good morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Today you will learn addition which is given in page number 93 and 94 from sum number 31 to 60. I have selected few sums that we will do together. Let's see how you will do. 16 plus 37 is given. You have to add those digits which are in ones first. 6 and 7 is 13. So you will write 3 here and 1 will be carry forward. Then 3 plus 1 will be 5. So you will write 53. Now come to the next question. I have selected randomly, so I am taking 36 sum. 11 plus 29. 11 plus 29. What you will do here? Again you will add the digits which are in ones place. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you will write 0 here and 1 will be carry forward. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer will be 40. Now turn the page and come to page number 94. Now I am solving sum which is given in 41. That is 45 plus 36. Let me write 45 plus 36. Now what you will do? Again you will do the same thing. You have to add the digits which are in ones place. 5 plus 6 is 11. So one you will write here and the other one you will write here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer will be 81. Come to the sum which is given in 46. That is 72 plus 8. 8 plus 72 plus 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So you will write 0 here and 1 will be carry forward. 7 plus 1 is 8. So you will write 80. Like this it is the answer. 72 plus 8 is 80. Now come to the sum which is given in 51. 14 plus 88. Again you will add 4 and 8 which is given in ones position. The answer will be 12. So you will write 2 here and 1 will be carry forward. Come to the sum which is given in 56. 73 plus 59. Now can you tell me how you will do it? Yes, first you will add these two digits. 9 plus 3 is 12. And then you will write 2 here and 1 will be carry forward. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 will be 13. So answer will be 132. Like that you have to do. I have taken randomly few sums. Let's do more sums. Now I am taking the sum which is given in 43. 31 plus 49. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you will write 0 here and 1 will be carry forward. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So you will write 80. 80 will be the answer. Now come to the sum which is given in 48. 44 plus 28. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 you will write here and 1 will be carry forward. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer is 72. Now come to the sum which is given in 53. 36 plus 37. 36 plus 37. You will add the digits which are in ones place. 6 plus 7. That you will get 13. Then you will write 3 here and 1 will be carried forward. Then 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the answer is 73. Now come to the sum which is given in 58. Digits are 85 plus 46. 5 plus 6 is 11. One you will write here and the other one you will carry forward. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So you will write 131. Now the last question. 68 plus 63. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 131. In this way, we have completed the sums which are given in page number 93 and 94. Few sums we have done. The rest sums you have to do by your own. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.